Do your shoulders feel off? Could be because your mid-back doesn't have enough motion in it. Try this one exercise to improve how all the muscles in your mid-back work together. For this exercise, we're going to start lying on our side with our hips and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. I always like to have an object in front of my knees so that way I can feel my knees press into it, so I'm aware of if I ever bail out and rotate through the hip or the knee. I want to make sure my legs stay stacked up the whole time. Start off with both hands stacked on top of one another. Bring your right arm up towards the ceiling. Slowly allow your upper body and right arm to drop towards the floor. If you've got some pretty good range of motion and you feel like you're just about to touch the ground, start to introduce arm motions. Bring the arm down to the side, return it to the starting position, and then you're going to reach all the way up overhead again. And full open, close. Do this 20 times rotating one way, then 20 times rotating the other way. Do this however it feels comfortable in your upper body. Some people are going to want to lift their head up like I'm doing right now. Other people might want to keep their head down on the ground. After 20 reps, you're going to go ahead and flip over and repeat the same thing on the other side. The exercise you just did targets 1 out of 5 of the major bones that make up the shoulder joint. We need to get all 5 of the bones to work together as a symphony so you can experience pain-free shoulder movement.